celebrate not only your achievements, but also the values of resilience, empathy, and service that you carry. You are the future nurses who will make a positive difference in the lives of many.
To our esteemed guest speaker, University President, officials, guests, faculty members, proud parents, Bicol University Tabaco nursing students, candidates for clinical graduation, and achievers, good afternoon.
Welcome to 2026 Bicol University Tabaco Nursing Department Clinical Graduation and Ring Hop Ceremony, anchored with the theme, Through Long Nights and Steady Hearts, a journey towards resiliency and excellence in nursing. Friends, ladies and gentlemen, the processional.
Bicol University Nursing Department faculty. Hired clinical instructors. Bicol University officials and guests.
To give honor to our nation, may we all remain standing for the singing of the Philippine National Anthem to be conducted by Professor Aimee Bidu Tutolio, Level 2 Coordinator.
You may now be seated. And now, to formally welcome to everyone to this celebration, may we call on Professor Ronel R. Janeda, our Dean of Bicol University, Tabaco, for the welcome remarks.
Maray na hapon po sa Gabos. Our President, ably represented here by our Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Juliet Bores, our department chairperson, Professor Maria Teresa Madulejos, Sir Arman Cruz, our speaker, which will be presented later on, level coordinators of BS Nursing in BU Tabaco, faculty, proud parents, friends, and most importantly, our student nurses. Welcome to the BU Tabaco Nursing Department's clinical graduation and ring hop ceremony. A special occasion where we recognize both the completion of their rigorous clinical training and the deepening of professional identity marked by this symbolic tradition of ring hop ceremony. This afternoon, we celebrate our student nurses, especially their milestones from years of hard work, countless hours at the bedside, skillful hands-on practice, and the compassionate care you have shown to patients and their families. Clinical graduation confirms your readiness to move from supervised learning to confident, responsible practice. The ring hop symbolizes your unity as a group, as a cohort, and your commitment to the values of nursing. We thank the faculty, clinical instructors, preceptors, and your families whose guidance, mentorship, and support made this achievement possible. Your engagement and expertise have shaped these graduates into competent, thoughtful clinicians. As you step forward, our hope for you is simple and profound, that you will carry with you the strong sense of responsibility, clinical excellence, and ethical healthcare leadership. May you continue to learn to advocate and to provide safe, effective, and compassionate care to every person you serve. Congratulations to the class of 2026. How do you call your batch? Nice. We're proud of you. We believe in you, and we look forward to seeing the difference you will make in healthcare arena. Diyos ang maggiya sa Indo Permi, ang sa Indong Dikano.
Thank you so much, our Dean, for that warm welcome remarks. To present the candidates for the clinical graduation, may we once again call on Mr. Ronel Arjuneda, Dean of BU Tabaco, to be confirmed by Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Nebres III, SUC President 4 of Bicol University, as represented by Bicol University Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Maria Julieta B. Bores.
Mr. President, represented here by the Vice President for the Academic Affairs, Dr. Juliet Bores. As the Dean of Bicol University, Tabaco, I have the honor to present to you candidates for clinical graduation, 37 of which are male and 120 are female. They have satisfactorily completed all the clinical requirements prescribed by the Bachelor of Science in Nursing program.
By the power vested in the President by the Board of Regents as President of Bicol University, represented by yours truly, I hereby confirm these 157 students who have successfully completed all the academic and clinical requirements prescribed for the Bachelor of Science in Nursing degree. May you continue to serve with excellence and uphold the values of Bicol University in your future career. Batch Silayan, congratulations!
Every achievement becomes more meaningful when accompanied by gratitude. To deliver the message of gratitude, may we invite Ms. Mari Ferreira V. Bonafé, Level 4 Batch President.
To our university president, as represented by Dr. Julieta M. Bores. To our BU Tabaco Dean, Professor Ronel Dioneda. To our guest speaker, Mr. Christopher Banyas. And to our department chairperson, Professor Maria Teresa Madrilejos. To our esteemed professors and clinical instructors. To our loving parents and honored guests, and most especially to the graduating batch of 2026, Batch Silayan, a pleasant afternoon to everyone. Today, as we stand on the threshold of transitioning from student nurses into healthcare professionals, our hearts are filled with immense gratitude. This moment marks the culmination of years of sacrifice, sleepless nights, countless examinations, hospital duties, and experiences that shape not only our clinical skills, but also our character, resilience, and compassion. And so, let me begin with a simple question. Bakit ka nag-nursing? Who would have thought that these 4 words could hold entirely different meanings before and after finishing college? When I first applied for college, my only goal was to find a suitable pre-med course. I explored different universities and considered various programs. Truthfully, nursing was never on top of my list. Then came the pandemic in 2021 when my mother underwent a major operation. I became her student nurse, assisting her with wound dressings, cleaning her sutures, and helping care for her during recovery. Day after day, while performing those simple acts of care, something slowly changed within me. I began to ask myself, what if mag-nursing na lang ako? My cousins were also nursing graduates here at BU Tabaco. They became my inspiration. And through every dressing change, every moment of care, and every responsibility I carried as a daughter, caring for her post-operative mother, I eventually realized that perhaps nursing was truly meant for me. But as my nursing journey began here at BU Tabaco, life also tested me in ways I never expected. I experienced one of the greatest tragedies of my life. Losing my best friend in an accident made me question everything. I entered college carrying grief and uncertainty. I barely knew anyone here. The people around me were still strangers who would eventually become my classmates, my duty partners, and later on, my family. At that time, I simply wished for the 4 years to pass quickly, hoping I could escape the loneliness I felt. Yet somewhere along the way, everything has changed. During our freshman year, we slowly built friendships and formed bonds that would carry us through the hardships of nursing school. I still vividly remember our very first return demonstrations, the nervousness we all felt while taking the vital signs, performing the bed making, and also injections. We were anxious, uncertain, and afraid of making mistakes. But we faced those moments together. Then came our capping and pinning ceremony, a milestone we had all eagerly awaited. Finally, we would experience what it truly meant to enter the clinical area. We wore our clinical uniforms with pride, stepped into our assigned hospitals with trembling excitement, and began facing realities no classroom could ever prepare us for. Our first delivery case, our first OR exposure, our first code, and even our first experience witnessing death. Clinical duties became a cycle of exhaustion and fulfillment, heartbreak and triumph. There were moments that tested our strength, but despite the difficultness, it became something we always look forward to. Because within those hospital walls, we discovered not only what nurses do, but who we were becoming. To our clinical instructors and faculty members, thank you for your unwavering patience, guidance, and mentorship. You taught us not only the science of nursing, but also the art of compassion, critical thinking, integrity, and grace under pressure. Your standards challenged us to grow, and your belief in us gave us the courage to keep moving forward. To our affiliated hospitals, staff nurses, and the communities who welcomed us, thank you for trusting us with your care. Every patient encounter became a lesson, and every challenge in the wards became an opportunity to grow. Through you, we witnessed the true meaning of resilience, empathy, and service. To our families and loved ones, this achievement belongs to you as much as it belongs to us. Thank you for becoming our anchor during the most difficult days, for understanding our exhaustion, supporting us through our sleepless nights and early morning duties, and reminding us to continue even when the journey felt overwhelming. And to Batch SILAYAN, we may have started as strangers, but today we stand together stronger, wiser, and more compassionate because of everything we have endured together. The memories we created within these 4 years will remain a part of who we are. As we wear our uniforms with renewed purpose and step into the healthcare profession, we carry with us every lesson, every sacrifice, and every person who helped shape our journey. We promise to uphold the dignity of this profession, to serve with competence and compassion, and to provide quality care to every life entrusted in our hands. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you very much. And once again, let's go back to the question, bakit nga ba tayo nag-nursing? Perhaps today, after everything we have been through, we finally know the answer. Thank you and good afternoon. At this juncture, I would like to ask the Batch SILAYAN to give their token of gratitude to their parents.
Thank you, Ms. Hera Bonafe, for your words of gratitude. Indeed, your parents were all proud of you. We are very much privileged for the presence of our guest speaker. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the chairperson of the Nursing Department, Maria Teresa C. Madrilejos, for the introduction of the guest speaker.
To our beloved Vice President, Dr. Maria Julieta B. Bores, Deans, Professor Junel Juneda Sr., and Ma'am Rañeses, Associate Dean, Ma'am Ortonio, Sir Armand Cruz, my dear faculty, hard clinical instructors, guests, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. I am deeply honored and privileged to introduce our distinguished guest speaker, a proud alumnus of our institution, whose journey continues to inspire excellence, dedication, and service in the nursing profession. He is a living testament that the values and training nurtured by beloved institution can truly shape individuals into compassionate, competent, and outstanding healthcare professionals. From one sitting where our graduates are seated today, he has transformed his dreams into a remarkable career marked by excellence and the clinical practice, education, leadership, and research. He completed his Bachelor of Science in Nursing at Bicol University, Tabaco. And through perseverance and commitment to lifelong learning, he pursued his Master of Arts in Nursing, major in Nursing Administration at University of Santo Tomas, where he graduated cum laude. He further earned his Doctor in Nursing Management degree from Trinity University of Asia. Professionally, he began his career as an operating room staff nurse at UARM Medical Center, and later became a charge nurse at Cardinal Santos Medical Center. Today, he serves as an assistant professor and clinical instructor at the University of Santo Tomas College of Nursing, España, Manila, mentoring future nurses and specialized fields such as the pre-operative nursing, communicable disease nursing, and disaster nursing. A licensed nurse since 2007 and a licensed midwife since 2003. He exemplifies dedication to professional excellence and lifelong learning. He is also an active member of respected professional organizations such as the Philippine Nurses Association, Operating Room Nurses Association of the Philippines, and the Sigma Theta Tau International Honor Society of Nursing. Beyond his clinical and teaching responsibilities, he has made a valuable contributions to the nursing research and healthcare education. As an author and researcher, his scholarly works include studies on antibiotics awareness among Filipinos, adaptive reforms in the nursing education, organizational justice and moral resilience among Filipino nurses, and the effects of health education on maternal compliance during prenatal care. These accomplishments reflect not only his passion for nursing education, but also his commitment to improving healthcare practices and outcomes for the community. In addition, he continues to serve in various leadership roles at the university involving research ethics, accreditation, recognition programs, student formation, and faculty development. Providing his dedication to shaping future nurses who are not only clinically competent, but also compassionate, ethical, and globally competitive. But more than his impressive achievements and credentials, what makes our guest speaker truly admirable? In his humility, passion for service, and dedication to molding future nurses with competence, compassion, and integrity. His success reminds us that no dream is too distant for those who work hard, remain faithful to their calling, and continue striving for excellence. To my dear students, may the story inspire you to pursue your professional with courage, commitment, and genuine heart of service. Like our guest speaker, may you also carry the name of our institution with pride and honor, wherever your nursing journey may lead you. As we celebrate the fruits of your hard work, sacrifices, sleepless nights, and perseverance, we are privileged to hear words of wisdom and inspiration from someone who has walked the same path and continues to uplift nursing profession through excellence and service. Ladies and gentlemen, let us give a warm and heartfelt round of applause as we welcome and proud alumnus and today's clinical graduation guest, Dr. Christopher B. Banyas.
Thank you very much. You may take a seat. All right, thank you so much, Ma'am Tere, for that very kind introduction. So I'd like to start with good afternoon po sa inyong lahat, to all the graduates and to all the parents present here po. So to start with, I'd like to pay tribute to the beloved university officials. We have the Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Maria Julieta Bores. To the President of the Bicol University Tabaco Campus, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin Nebres. Of course, we also have the Dean of the BU Tabaco Campus, Dean Ronel R. Juneda, sir. And then the Associate Dean, we have Ma'am Sheila Bustamante, for the Associate Dean of the BU Tabaco Campus. I'd like also to acknowledge the presence of the Dean of the College of Nursing in Legazpi. We have Dr. Maria Delia Ranieses, ma'am. And also the Associate Dean, we have Professor Maricel Ortoña. And of course, I'd like to say thank you also to my previous professor, Ma'am Tere Madrelejos. I'd like to say thank you for the unwavering dedication in shaping future nurses who embody resilience, service, and excellence. So your guidance has helped mold students not only into skilled clinicians, but into individuals with hearts committed to caring for humanity. I may not also be forgetting about the faculty members of the BU Tabaco Campus. I'd like to thank every one of you po for shaping all these students. I'd like to say special mention to my former teachers. We have Ma'am Joanna Octavo, Sir Dennis Gugola. Sir Dennis Gugola was my senior, together with Sir Roman, and special mention to Sir Albert Balase. Sir Albert Balase was a good friend of mine and forever good friend of mine yan. Okay, so thank you so much po. again, I'd like to say good afternoon to everybody. So, standing here this afternoon feels deeply personal to me because years ago, I was exactly where you are seated right now, wearing the same uniform, feeling the same mixture of excitement, the fear, the exhaustion, and uncertainty. Oh, well, of course, we smiled for cameras, right? But we all are wondering what happens after this, right? Am I really ready? Those are the questions. And of course, will life become better after graduation? Those were the questions who probably you might in your heads right now because apparently, to be honest with you, back then, I did not have all the answers also. So like many of you, I came from this university. We were not always equipped with best resources, as you know. Sabi ko nga kanina kay Ma'am Tere together with Sir Albert Balase, way back, we don't have this kind of celebration. We might even have flowers during our ring hop celebration because way back on 2007, BU Tabaco campus is one of the most simplest, I think I could ever say na very simple campus lang siya. So to me, you are more than lucky to have this kind of luxury. Kasi to me, this is kind of luxury na because way back then we don't have it. Okay? So sometimes we also lack materials, we lack opportunities, we lack comfort. And there were moments when we looked at other students from other schools and universities and wondered if they had it easier than we did. And sometimes we question ourselves if we were enough. But as life went on, I realized something very important. Being a graduate of this state university is not a disadvantage. It's a proof of grit and resilience. Because when resources are limited, we'll learn to maximize what we have. You'll learn how to persevere. You'll learn how to become resourceful, patient, and strong. And you also learn how to survive difficult duties, long commutes, sleepless nights, and silent struggles while still showing up the next day. And that is something no extensive facility or perfect circumstance can teach. This afternoon, as I look at all of you, I do not simply see nursing students celebrating a ceremony. I see individuals who endured countless battles people will never truly understand. Some of you studied while carrying family problems, and that's given. Some of you doubted yourselves after failed quizzes, difficult retems, or exhausting clinical duties. And some of you probably cried quietly, asking yourselves if nursing was still worth pursuing. And yet, here you are. You're still standing, you're still moving forward, and still choosing this profession despite how difficult the journey has been. And that's what we called resilience. So our theme this afternoon, through long nights and steady hearts, a journey towards resiliency and excellence in nursing is not just about surviving nursing. It is about becoming stronger because of it. So I want you to remember that when you go forward in life, please do not compare your journey to others. Apparently, I also asked Sir Albert when he reached na sabi niya, if only I could give speech to you guys. So sabi ko, I was not the cream of the crop of the batch way back then. So sabi ko, why not the others? Because I believe I'm not that too intelligent comparing my batch. Because in our batch, I could probably say na, I'm proudly saying na talagang there were a lot of students who were competitive way back then. So can you imagine, hindi ko na masasabihin na I'm the bottom of the food chain, but apparently there are people who are, I think, more than my capabilities are. But so sabi ko, yeah, I could probably just give them insights about everything that I've been through all my professional career. So, sige na nga, sabi ko kay Sir Albert. Okay, so some people will also move faster than you, and that's given. Some will have more opportunities, and some may seem more successful early on. But life is not a race. I'd like you to understand that. In nursing, just like in life, every person has a different timeline, different struggles, and different victories. So what matters is that you continue moving, even slowly, even uncertainly, and even when the future is unclear. So because truthfully, even after graduation, life will still be uncertain sometimes. There will still be moments when you feel lost. There will still be long nights ahead. But one thing nursing school has already taught you is this: you are capable of surviving difficult seasons. You learned how to keep going despite exhaustion. You learned how to care for others even when you were struggling yourself. You learned how to remain steady during chaos. And those lessons will carry you far beyond the walls of this university. The ring that you will be receiving today is not simply an accessory. I'd like you to understand that it symbolizes every sacrifice, every sleepless night, every silent prayer, every small victory, and even every moment you almost gave up but chose not to. So you have to wear it proudly. Not because your journey was perfect, but because you survived the nursing school. And someday, years from now, you will also stand before future nursing students and realize that the uncertain student you once were become someone stronger than you ever imagined. Furthermore, before I end this speech, please allow me to speak not only as an alumnus, but also as a nurse and also as a son. To all the proud parents and families present today, this achievement is yours too. Sometimes, people only see the medals, the uniforms, the graduation pictures, and the achievements. But behind every nursing student is a parent who silently sacrificed their child could continue dreaming. Just like many of our students here, I also came from humble beginnings. I remember how my parents worked tirelessly in the market kasi po yung tatay ko is merong maliit na meat shop. They endure heat. They both endure exhaustion during that time and long days just to provide me with a good education. There was this one banther with my father, my father died, my parents died, both of them died already. We have this small banter way back because yung tatay ko, they simply get along with, you have to really finish your studies. Ganun kasi yung billing niya. Kasi sabi niya, mahirap man tayo, but eventually, you have to finish your studies. Yun lang daw kasi ang kaya nilang ibigay sa amin. So, until such time that, alam niyo yun, during our times, we had this rebellious moment, right? So there was this one time that I can never forget during that time of having an argument with him. Sabi ko sa kanya, kasi sabi niya, right after graduation, to the very least, you have to take your master's. Sabi ko, can you please stop ruining my youth? Wow, di ba? Kasi feeling ko kasi I'm so tired of everything way back then. And then here comes my father who really wanted me to enroll to the master's class. So sabi ko, parang wala na akong life. I need to breathe. But eventually, because, you know, we really need to be respectful to our parents, sinunod ko pa rin siya, and I took up my master's. And then right after master's, eventually I took up my doctorate degree, and then yun na. So everything came from that. So I'd like you to remember that even if in the darkest moments that we have, maybe there are people behind all of us, and that's our parents. And I want you to really be grateful to your parents also, because for without them, you can never have where you are right now, right? Okay. So, and I know also that many parents here share the same story, because there were sacrifices I only understood when I became older. Yung missed comforts, the endless budgeting, the quiet worries they carried so I would not have to. Some of you woke up before sunrise every day. Some worked extra hours. Some sacrificed their own needs. Some carried heavy burdens silently just so your child wearing their nursing uniform, and your sacrifices became the reason to continue. That all of you did not fail. I'd like you to remember that all of the parents here, you did not fail po. Your sacrifice were not wasted. And every hardships you endured helped bring them to this moment. So at this very juncture, I'd like to ask the graduating class to kindly stand up, and we have to give a round of applause to our parents. Thank you very much. And of course, to our students, please never forget where you came from. Never be ashamed of humble beginnings. One day, the success you achieve will become the answer to every sacrifice your parents made for you. And if there's one thing I hope all of you remember, I'd like you to remember this, that the strongest people may not always those who had the easiest lives. Sometimes they are the ones who learned how to keep moving forward despite having little, because resilience taught them that success is not about what you lack, but it's all about whatever you have, whatever you do with whatever you have. So I'd like to say congratulations to the future nurses. Continue moving forward, trust your own pace. Your story does not need to look like everyone else's to become meaningful. So may you carry your dreams with humility, your struggles with pride, and your hearts with compassion wherever life takes you. Thank you very much for having me, and congratulations.
Thank you so much, Dr. Christopher Banyas, for that meaningful, inspiring message. Once again, let's give him a resounding applause.
At this point, we would like to award the plaque of recognition to our guest speaker. May we call on our University Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Maria Julieta B. Bores, together with Dean Ronel Arjuneda, Maria Delia Zirañeses, Dean, Bicol University College of Nursing, Chairperson of the Nursing Department, Maria Teresa C. Madrilejos, and Dr. Dennis B. Cocola, Level 4 Coordinator, to award the plaque of recognition.
Text read, Republic of the Philippines, Bicol University, Tabaco Nursing Department, Tahi, Tabaco City, awards this plaque of recognition to Christopher B. Banyas in profound gratitude for sharing his invaluable insight and professional wisdom. Your inspiring words serve as a beacon for our student nurses as they transition from the classroom to the bedside, embodying the core values of excellence, compassion, and service in the nursing profession. Guests of honor and speaker during the clinical graduation and ring hop ceremony, thereby contributing immeasurably to the success of the occasion. Given this 20th day of May in the year of the Lord 2026 at Bicol University, Tabaco Auditorium, Bicol University, Tabaco, Tahi, Tabaco City. Signed, Maria Teresa C. Madrilejos, Chairperson, Nursing Department, Ronel Arjuneda, Dean, Bicol University, Tabaco, and Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Nebres III, SUC President for Bicol University.
The nursing ring symbolizes commitment, compassion, and dedication to the noble profession of nursing. At this point, we shall proceed with the imposition of rings. May we invite the university officials and faculty members for the ceremonial imposition.
We will also be awarding the Certificate of Completion. Text read. Republic of the Philippines, Bicol University, Tabaco Nursing Department, Tayhi, Tabaco City, Certificate of Completion is awarded to for successfully completed the required clinical-related learning experience prescribed in the Bachelor of Science in Nursing program of the Bicol University Tabaco Nursing Department. This certificate is awarded during the clinical graduation and ring hop ceremony held on the May 20th, 2026 at Bicol University Tabaco Auditorium in recognition of the students' dedication, competence, and commitment in the completion of clinical duties and nursing education requirements. Signed, Level 1 Coordinator, Dr. Ruby D. Espares. Level 2 Coordinator, Aimee V. De Tulio. Level 3 Coordinator, Joanna C. Octavo. Level 4 Coordinator, Dennis B. Gogola. Nursing Department Chairperson, Maria Teresa C. Madrilejos. And Bicol University Tabaco Dean, Ronel R. Juneda Sr.
May we call on again our Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Maria Julieta B. Bores, together with Dean Ronel Juneda, Ma'am Delia C. Ranieses, Dean, Bicol University College of Nursing, Ma'am Maria Teresa Madrilejos, and Dr. Dennis B. Cocola.
Año Nuevo, Gerald R. Balia Andre Gregorio. Basaysay Jose Reden B. Bautista Samuel Jean Galesa. Bihino Andy Basmayor. Bihino John Lawrence Bornasal. Bigueras Maximus Santos. Belga Carl Alvin Bass. Bigyo Jobert Molina. Bermas Joe Ivan Bansagales. Punaobra Wayne Vincent Borabo. Bongat Kane Lawrence Ibarra. Bracamonte Renz Andre. Bragais Crismon Dave Braun. Bustamante Kim Hill Bara. Kasaul John Adrian B. Casitas Mark Nick Camo. Ciruales Romer S. Coral John Axel L. Cruel Limwell John P. D. Javen Peter B. Ikalnir Charles William I. Guadamor John Nandi Dihino. Hernandez Joseph Elmer L. Madrid Keith Makabuhay. Malaga Jeff Moran. Manzanilla James M. Midwa Christian Balmadri. Nicomedes Christian Paul Ilagan. Nieto Elijah Rafael Rosana. Nocos Kurt Stephen Dihura. Uwarde Gian Carlo Basilonia. Oblivias Michael Casaul. Ortiz Dean Joshua Domingo. Pexon Angelo Gerard J. Puno John Lawrence E. Talier Jeremy.
Avila Tracy Diaz. Aldave Angela Cerezo. Aureliano Casey Marie Kiel. Aven Carmina Pearl Azucena. Avila Tracy Diaz. Asarcon Luis Daniel. Balaguer Raven Kate. Balana Gwyneth Iris. Balbalosa Diane Marie Belen. Banyadera Diosa Banton. Banyal Rawan Ken Kinlob. Barcebal LMA Banyares. Bayola Althea Joy Mendoza. Bedis Maria Darlene Bea. Belen Emmy Rose B. Belian Micaela Rain Betchaida. Belyesa Tasha May L. Belyesa Vanessa. Bendal Nicole Angela Dimson. Bendicio Shane Iris Basabe. Benitez Gloria Broso. Bermas Anilin B. Besmonte Jean Del Castillo. Bien Jeanette Cao. Bigtas Risa Broso. Bilao Cindy Salting. Bilaro Joanna Marie Orande. Binyas Rogeline Faith. Bobier Karen Leite. Bowling Shane Cuadro. Bonafe Marife Hera Vinyas. Bonagua Jermaine Garcia. Bonaobra Cyril F. Boncolmo Lovely Borlasa. Bongao Crystal Kirsten Melgar. Borlagdan Gwen Aliana Aguilar. Borlasa Shirley. Bragais Sara Joven Julianda.
Pagkatapos da kay ni Madam Apod naman kita ibang na award sa stage.
Briongos Emeline Bongalon. Broncano Eileen Beren. Broncate Janelle Noga. Broquesa Valerie Manday. Brosa Juliet.
May we request nursing faculty, level coordinators, Associate Dean, Professor Marcel Antonio, Mr. Armand Cruz to please assist in the imposition of ring and awarding of certificates.
Brosa Salve Condat. Buesa Janelle May. Burak Odessa Bien. Burse Claire Keith. Burser Azel May. Kahilig Twyla Bonito. Calleja Blossom Keith Malagueño. Calio Lorely Orpiada. Kamata Dayan Erica.
Camo Camille Come. Canalda Maria Lourdes. Kanyutal Aliyah May R. Cargulyo Gwen Julian B. Cesar Christine Binamira. Chavinea Aubrey Grace Balgos. Sid Susette Bunayon. Cleofe Elden Beth Paner. Clef Crystal May B. Climaco Maria Joy Pacheco. Codilio Sai Tauto. Consuelo Angelica Aranas. Cope Sheena May Bacho. Cuebilias Karen Joy Colasito. Cultivo Sheena Bendal. De Leon Krisha JDB. De Los Angeles Irish Dawn. Del Castillo Kathy Bonaobra. Del Mundo Michelle Unrubia. De la Cruz France May Bilaos. Duca Kimberly Shane Igdanes. Evora Elodie Angel Mañol. Fresnido Jasmine Lorraine Greta. Fuedan Shira May A. Hestaja Christine Bea. Golinko Christian Morata. Guy Sheena May Rania. Ibay Giselle Kamata. Jerusalem Janice Margaret B. Largado Risa May Heli. Yaguno Maria Nova M. Lieno Daniela R. Dorico Aiseria Micaela Brosa. Loyola Christina A. Lou B.G. Forteo. Lupango Glyza Angelica Balangawan. Magtangob Kylie Patrice Orpiada. Maliapre Eliza Janelle Lutivio. Martinez Christine Demir B. Mercado Crisela May Nabor. Mimay Renaline Gigante. Mirabueno Aleli B. Miralo Maricar Bunaobra. Montañez Altea May Bongat. Nabatilan Arabella Cañeta. Navarro Christine Rosel. Naive Shaira May Borrero. Perez Princess May Manigo. Ragasa Joan Mateo. Ramos Angel Ellie.
Rasay Graciel Balbido. Resare Zaira Kim Villanueva. Rodriguez Jasmine Ann Eugenio. Rogero Andrea. Roque Helena Villar. Ruiz Alea Taperla. Santos Krista Ann. Sapita Zaira Jid Junto. Saturnino Athena Marie Ramizo. Solomon Janine Destura. Talangan Micaela. Tan Riza Jean Canalda. Taroy Roxanne Bombales. Toralba Jade Christy Abelia. Valenzuela Sandy Brutas. Vasquez Leslie Belga. Villa Gomez Abigail Derilo. Villamonte Alona Credo. We shall now proceed with the awarding of the certificates to the special awardees.
May we once again call on stage the Department Chairperson, Professor Maria Teresa C. Madrilejos, Level 4 Coordinator, Dr. Dennis Gogola, Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Maria Julieta Bores, and Dean, Bicol University Tabaco, Ronel Arjuneda, together with the Bicol University College of Nursing Dean, Dr. Maria Delia Reñeses. Outstanding Student Organization President Award. Awarded to Bicchio Jobert Molina.
Certificate of recognition is awarded to Jobert M. Bicchio, Republic of the Philippines, Bicol University, Tabaco, Nursing Department, Tabaco City. For the Outstanding Student Organization President Award, in recognition of exemplary leadership, dedication, and outstanding service rendered to the organization and the student body. Your commitment and passion have greatly contributed to the success and growth of the organization. Given this 20th day of May, 2026 at Bicol University Tabaco Auditorium, Tabaco City. Signed, Dennis B. Gogola, PhD, Level 4 Coordinator, Nursing Department, Maria Teresa Madrilejos, Head Nursing Department, Ronel Arjuneda Sr., Dean, Bicol University, Tabaco.
May we ask the student awardees to please come up on stage together with your parents. Outstanding Student Batch Leader Award, Bonafe Marife Hera Benyas.
Certificate of recognition is awarded to Marife Hera V. Bonafe for the Outstanding Student Batch Leader Award in recognition of exemplary leadership, dedication, and valuable service rendered to the batch and the student community. Your commitment and initiative have inspired your fellow students and contributed to the success and unity of the batch. Given this 20th day of May 2026 at Bicol University Tabaco Auditorium, Tabaco City.
Institutional Service Award. Quadamor John Nani Dihino.
John Andy D. Guadamor for the Institutional Service Award in recognition of dedicated service, commitment, and valuable contributions rendered to the institution. Your unwavering support and exemplary efforts have greatly contributed to the achievement of the institution's goals and success. Given this 20th day of May 2026 at Bicol University, Tabaco Auditorium, Tabaco City. Same Institutional Service Award is given to Jose Reden B. Basaysay.
The same Institutional Service Award is awarded to Villagomez Abigail Derillo. The same Institutional Service Award is given to De Leon Prisha Jade Breva. The same institutional service award is awarded to Villamonte Alona Credo.
Certificate of Recognition is awarded to for the Outstanding Research Award in recognition of excellence in research, dedication to academic inquiry, and significant contributions to the advancement of knowledge. Your hard work, innovation, and commitment to scholarly excellence are truly commendable. This award is given to Rosa Salve Condat, Consuelo Angelica Aranas, and Lorico Aizarea Micaela Broza.
Outstanding Research Award. This is the best paper during the Bicol University Tabaco Student Research and Development Forum 2026. Our next award, Best in Oral Revalida. Third place, Balana Gwyneth Iris Arroyo.
Gwyneth Iris A. Balana for achieving third place Best in Oral Revalida in recognition of outstanding clinical knowledge, excellent presentation skills, and exemplary performance during the oral revalida. Your competence, confidence, and dedication to learning are highly commendable. Given this 20th day of May 2026 at Bicol University Tabaco Auditorium, Tabaco City. The same certificate is awarded to Janelle May A. Breza for achieving second place, Best in Oral Revalida.
Best in Oral Revalida, first place. Bonaobra Wayne Vincent Borabo.
Very good.
The next award is the Nursing Leadership Award, awarded to Bilaro Joanna Marie Orande.
Certificate of recognition is awarded to Joanna Marie O. Bilaro for the Nursing Leadership Award in recognition of exemplary leadership, professionalism, and commitment in nursing practice and student leadership. Your ability to inspire, guide, and serve others has made a meaningful impact on your peers and the academic community. Given this 20th day of May 2026 at Bicol University Tabaco Auditorium, Tabaco City.
Next award, Clinical Excellence Award. Clinical Excellence Award is awarded to Bonaobra Wayne Vincent Borabo.
Certificate of recognition is awarded to Wayne Vincent B. Bonaobra for the Clinical Excellence Award in recognition of outstanding clinical performance, strong nursing competencies, and exemplary application of knowledge, skills, and professional attitude in the clinical setting. Your dedication to safe and quality patient care is highly commendable, given this 20th day of May 2026 at Bicol University Tabaco Auditorium, Tabaco City.
We would also like to award a certificate of appreciation to our sponsor for our indigent student, Mr. Arman M. Cruz, President and CEO, AMC Healthcare and Paralegal Consulting.
Certificate of appreciation is awarded to Armand M. Cruz in sincere recognition and heartfelt gratitude for his generosity, unwavering support, and invaluable contribution to the nursing department. Your benevolence in extending assistance and serving as a benefactor to indigent nursing students through your scholarship program has greatly inspired the academic community and has significantly contributed to the pursuit of excellence in nursing education. Your kindness and commitment to helping deserving students achieve their dreams are deeply appreciated and will always be remembered. Given this 20th day of May 2026 at Bicol University Tabaco Auditorium, Tabaco City. Signed, Dennis B. Gogola, Level 4 Coordinator, Nursing Department, Ronel R. Juneda Sr., Dean, Bicol University Tabaco, Maria Teresa C. Madrilejos, Chairperson, Nursing Department.
Congratulations to all the awardees for your remarkable achievements. Every journey is made unforgettable by the memories we create. Let us all sit back, relax, and witness the audiovisual presentation of Batch SILAYAN.
to give us an update on the scarcity of nurses in U.S. and student opportunity. May I call in Mr. Armand Cruz to give us a short message. To deliver the closing remarks, may we call on Dr. Dennis B. Gogola, Level 4 Coordinator.
Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Boris, and to the Dean of the BU College of Nursing, Ma'am Bambi, and to the Associate Dean, Ma'am Ortonio. And of course, to the clinical instructors, students, faculty members, proud parents, guests, and most especially to our graduating students. Maray na hapon o maray na banggi na sa gabos. Today is more than just a ceremony. Hindi lang natin ipinagdiriwang ang pagtatapos ng inyong clinical journey, kundi ang lahat ng sakripisyo, pagod at katatagan na nagdala sa inyo ngayong araw na ito. The theme, Through Long Nights and Steady Hearts, a journey towards resiliency and excellence in nursing, truly reflects your story as a batch. Sa likod ng bawat puting uniforme ay ang mga gabing walang tulog, toxic duties, kaba sa written demonstrations, case presentations, examinations, thesis writing, at mga pagkakataong gusto na ninyong sumuko. But despite all these challenges, you remain steady and committed to your dreams. And that is why your batch name, SILAYAN, is a very meaningful name of your batch. Ang SILAYAN ay mula sa salitang silay, isang liwanag, isang sulyap ng pag-asa. At tunay ngang naging silay kayo sa maraming tao, sa mga pasyenteng nangangailangan ng kalinga, sa mga pamilyang umaasa, at sa mga taong naniniwala sa kakayahan ninyo bilang future nurses. To our dear parents and families, this achievement is also yours. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang suporta, sakripisyo, pagdarasal at pagmamahal. Habang lumalaban ang inyong mga anak para sa kanilang pangarap, kayo rin ang naging sandigan nila sa bawat pagod at pagsubok. I would also like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to SNAB officers, students, faculty members, clinical instructors, and of course, to the committee heads who work tirelessly behind this meaningful event. Maraming salamat po sa inyong oras, dedikasyon, pagod at commitment to ensure that this ceremony becomes memorable and successful for our students. Your efforts may not always be seen, but they are deeply appreciated. This celebration would not have been possible without your teamwork, patience, and genuine service to our nursing department. And to the students, before I end these closing remarks, allow me to speak not only as your level coordinator, but also as someone who witnessed your growth throughout this journey. Alam kong may mga pagkakataon na naging mahigpit ako sa inyo. There were moments when I imposed discipline and high standards that may have felt difficult or even unfair at times. But understand this, discipline was never meant to break you. It was meant to prepare you. Because nursing is a profession that demands discipline, responsibility, competence, and heart. Balang araw, maiintindihan ninyo na ang disiplina ni minsan ninyong kinagalit ay siya palang huhubog sa inyo upang maging mahusay at matatag na nurses. Every correction came from concern. Every reminder came from responsibility. And every challenge was meant to help you become the nurses your future patients deserve. So instead of resentment, I hope there will be gratitude. Because discipline is a form of care. To Silayan, as you continue your journey, always remember that nursing is not only about skills and intelligence, it is also about compassion, humility, resilience, and genuine service to others. Continue becoming a silay na pag-asa wherever life brings you. Congratulations, Basilayan, padayon, future nurses. Maraming salamat at mabuhay tayong lahat.
Paula, for your closing remarks. Clinical graduates, as soon-to-be healthcare professionals navigated your rigorous clinical duties, you have made unforgettable memories along the way. To look back at the tears, triumph, and unbreakable bonds, let us now direct our attention to the screen for the same-day edit.
Sabi nila, grabe daw ako. Sabi ko, kailangan ibigay ang blessings. If I can only sit beside you,
presentation entitled Simula by the BSN Batch 2026 graduates. After the presentation, kindly remain in front for the picture taking. Please remain for the photo ops.